Hi, I'm back outside. It's about 12:30 p.m. Things have definitely deteriorated. I tried to get out in the backyard and see if I could get some video, but I can't hold the umbrella and hold the phone and everything all at the same time, so that was just a little impossible. So I'm again standing in the furthest most corner of my front porch. And one thing that's unusual is we have frogs around here all the time, but out in the back, it's the loudest call of frogs I think I have ever heard. I don't know if that's a call of distress. Kind of a little unsettling. It's unusual, but hopefully God's creatures will be protected throughout this. We've lost our power. It's like flickered on and off about 3 times, and I don't know exactly what the winds are right now. They've definitely picked up. The gusts are coming a lot faster than they were. We have one neighbor across the street that keeps coming and going. I'm not sure why they keep leaving, and I hope that they're safe with whatever they're having to run back and forth and do. Now we're in Mandarin, 25 miles from any kind of beaches. Rain has not been super heavy so far. Mostly what it is the rain that there is just, it's coming with such force, especially when it knocks up against some of the windows in the house. It really makes you think something's slamming up against the window when it's just the force of the rain. I'll try to stand here long enough and get a bit of a gust so you have an idea of what's happening out here right now. Comes the big one. Okay, it's quite frightening. I hope it doesn't damage the trees. The rain is, or should I say the wind is pushing the rain from the north to the south. See the rain totally sideways going down the street. We did manage to get our cover off of that Firebird because it was pretty much tearing the cover to pieces. I'm not sure exactly where the storm is right now. I don't know if it's still over Daytona Beach, but it should be very close to us about now. I believe their prediction was for Jacksonville was in the afternoon up through like midnight. It's going to be our worst of it. So. If I can get another, oh no, I can't move. The wind is just too bad over there. The wind is, and my entire porch is being flooded and soaked because the wind's blowing the rain. Mostly what you're seeing here is the rain dripping off of my house. It's really not raining very hard. It's just pouring off of my house is what you're seeing. Well, I'm gonna stop for now, and maybe if I can get out here later